Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer files from your mobile phone to your laptop without using a data cable and without installing extra apps. Okay, let's get started. First, if you are using Windows 11, there's a built-in feature called Phone Link. Click on the Start menu and then next, just open the Phone Link, this one. Make sure your phone is already connected to your PC. If you haven't set it up yet, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions. And then next, let's send file from the phone to laptop. But first, I will choose the screen phone on my desktop. I will just click on the three dots icon, and then choose open phone screen like this. And then on your phone, just allow it. Just tap on allow. And then your screen phone will appear like this. And then to send files, just tap on send files, this one. Just tap on it, and then next you can choose the file or send the file from your gallery or maybe your files, or you can also take a new photo from your camera. In here I will just choose send a photo from my gallery, and then next just I will just send this one, and then next just tap on done like this. And okay, like this your files is success transferred to your laptop like this. And okay, that's it. Super easy and very convenient. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.